So, the big question is always, why did I choose a plant based diet out of all the diets and lifestyles out there? And the short answer is, I had already tried everything else. And it seemed like no matter what I did, my health would not improve. I had been eating a high protein, low carb diet for years and years in every form. It was Atkins, it was paleo, it was keto, you name it, and I did it. Yet my health continued to decline, and I just felt it slipping away from me until one day I ran into an old friend I hadn't seen in years. And she looked amazing. And as I told her everything that I was going through and my frustrations, she told me about these doctors that were helping people heal and lose weight through eating potatoes. And what she didn't realize is that she was about to change the rest of my life. So, my friend told me about Dr. John McDougall, and she told me that I really needed to read his book, The Starch Solution. And now he had helped tens of thousands of people over the last 40 years to heal their bodies, reverse diabetes, and lose weight through eating potatoes. I also ended up following the incredible work of Dr. Neil Barnard, who I learned about through Dr. John McDougall. And what I learned through these incredible doctors is that a high carb, low fat, plant based diet was the key to the health that I was looking for. Through their work, I learned the truth about proteins, fats, and carbs and how the body uses them, and that what we're sold by mainstream marketing is what is keeping us sick and overweight. The more I read and the more I listened and the more I learned, I began to feel hopeful that I was gonna get my health back and finally lose the weight. The more I read and learned and listened to these doctors, I was now understanding why my health was declining and why I couldn't lose weight. I was beginning to feel empowered that I could take my health back. Now, when you tell people that you eat a plant based diet, they immediately think just fruits and veggies, just rabbit food, salad. And while those things are there and they're amazing, I didn't lose weight eating that way. I lost weight eating amazing, delicious, satisfying food, but I made it in a high carb, low fat, plant based way. I learned to make all the low fat, plant based versions of the meals that I loved, and that's what made the transition so smooth and easy for me. I had never gotten this much nutrition before in my life. All of these meals were full of nutritious, wholesome, whole foods. And the more I ate these foods, the more my body healed and released the years of weight. So ultimately, I chose a plant based lifestyle for what it promised me. And I stuck with it because of what it gave me. It gave me my health back. It gave me my youth, my vitality, my confidence in that I could face anything that the world was going to throw at me. I had the tools now to be healthy and to maintain my health for the rest of my life. If you need more support on your health and weight loss journey, check out our Planful Life community on the school platform. It's a private community away from social media. I moved my YouTube membership group into this community because we wanted to interact more. In the community tab, we have all these different tabs for discussions that everybody's posting in. I'm only showing you my post right now for the privacy of our members, but it is so fun. It's a safe place. We are all about helping and supporting each other in this community. One of my favorite features of this platform is the classroom tab here. You can see all the courses that I am building out and putting in here. You've got your free ebooks that's ready to go. You can download those. I put our live streams here, and I'm filling these spots here with videos that I make new and videos from my YouTube so that they're all in one place and easy to find. It is so much fun. I just wanted to make it easier for you guys to learn. So if you go over to the calendar tab, that's where we have our lives. Here's the one we just did with Nicole, who lost 121 pounds. This Friday, I'm doing a cooking class for you all to join. But the absolute best part is the lives. I get to see your faces. I get to meet you and interact with you. It is so awesome. So check us out. We're the Planful Life community on School. I'll have it linked below. It's only $10 a month. Come meet people on their journeys just like you. Get the support and the help and the positivity that you need.